Hi friend, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I will show you how to make a 5000 milliampere power bank. Now let's get started. Friend, I am using two mobile batteries. Each battery consists of 2500 milliampere. There is two batteries. Friend, I am using step up module. If you want to buy this, link in description, you can buy this. And I am using a plastic box. There is a plastic box. Friend, before making this video, I recommend you subscribe my YouTube channel and also press bell icon to receive my new video notification. Now let's start to make this. Friend, first we need to fix these batteries. Friend, there is positive side of battery and there is negative side, and there is also positive and negative. I will connect these batteries in parallel, positive to positive and negative to negative. And there is step up module, and there is 2 points, there is positive and there is negative. And I connect these two wires. Guys, all connection has been done. Now let's time for testing. Friends, you can see this. So friends, that's the project of my new portable power bank. I hope you will enjoy my this video. If you enjoy my this video, subscribe, like and share. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.